Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. So I'm going to tell you a little story. And it starts. So last night I am relaxing on the couch watching a movie. It's about 9:30. Very happy that I got my last video uploaded. My nails are done for the week. I could just sit back and relax and enjoy some quiet time. I decided to grab my phone, and the first thing I see is a tutorial from Lucy from Exclusive Nail Couture Canada doing a marble effect. So I watched it. Next thing I know, I'm in my studio filming my version of what she did. So my version of what Lucy did looks nothing like what she ended up with, but I liked what I did so much that I thought I would share it with you. Now, mine, I think, is kind of a cross between a rose-colored camo feel and a watercolor look. I'm not sure I could recreate it. But I had fun filming it for you guys, so I hope you enjoy what I came up with for a sort of marble watercolored camo look. Okay, so we have the nails all prepped and ready to go for application. And the first thing I'm going to do is wipe the nails with acetone. So acetone will remove any oils from the nails and dehydrate. So then we will be ready for product application. So I've decided to use Bottle Builder number 18 from Vision Gel to apply to the natural nails, and this will give the natural nails some strength, and you don't need a primer or a bonder. This Bottle Builder has a bonder built right in it. So I'm going to start by applying the Bottle Builder to the nails from cuticle to free edge. This color is gorgeous. Number 18 is one of my favorites, and you can use this just as a color if you want. So now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and that's really all you need because the layer that I've applied is pretty thin. So now I'm going to go and put a second thin layer on and cure it again for 30 seconds. Next, I take a medium grit zebra file and do my normal filing routine just to get ready before we start with the fun stuff with the color application. Then I'm taking my pink diamond safety bit from Nail Couture and just smoothing out the nails. And last step in my filing routine is my favorite coarse sponge buffer from Ugly Duckling. Here I'm just using alcohol on a wipe to clean all the dust off. The first color I'm going to use is number 140 from Vision Gel, and this is a really pretty warm toned pastel pink. The first step is to drop some color randomly on the nail. Next color I'm going to use is number 91, and I'm going to do the exact same thing and drop some color randomly on the nail. Now I'm going to take number 39, which is from the Luxe collection, and I haven't even shown you guys these yet, but I will. And I'm going to place this color on any spots that are bare on the nail. Now I have some alcohol in a dish here, and I haven't cured these colors yet, and I'm going to take a brush and just kind of melt the colors together with the alcohol. Now when I'm done smooshing all the colors together, I am going to just give it a flash cure. Okay, I didn't like how the first nail turned out, so I decided to put the colors on a tile and use a really small brush and apply the colors that way. And I found that I was able to apply the colors thinner. And now I'm taking some alcohol and smooshing the colors together. Then when I get the look that I like, I will give it a flash cure and repeat this whole process on the rest of the nails. After all fingers are done, I'm going to do a full 30-second cure. And now with a striping brush and Vision Gel number 03 black, I am going to saturate the brush with the black polish and just put very thin, faint lines where the colors are kind of smooshed together. Then I will go back to my detailer brush, fill it with alcohol, and kind of smudge the black lines, or smoosh. I like smoosh. Okay, after all nails are done, then I'm going to give it a full 30-second cure. Okay, right out of the lamp, I'm going to take my rose gold foil and lightly transfer the color onto the tacky part of the nail. This little technique just gives this whole look kind of an antique look. And the last step is to take the Super Shine non-wipe top coat and finish off this look. Because that was so much fun and I got the hang of it, I thought I would do the other hand for you. So sit back and enjoy the music. And here's the finished result. I'm kind of impressed with how these turned out. Nothing like how Lucy did hers, but this surprised me how much I like these. And I also totally forgot to use blooming gel to spread the black around instead of alcohol, but that's okay. Maybe next time I'll try the blooming gel. So to recap the colors I used number 39, which is from the Luxe collection, number 140, that light pink, number 3, the black, and 91, which is a rose-colored color. If you have any questions about something that I did in this video and I didn't explain it that well, just comment down below and I will do my best to answer your questions. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys! So I hope you enjoy what I came up with for sort of marble watercolored camo look.